All right, folks, we have a black on black Mopar with a big block. Look at this beauty. Let's see what we got here. '66 Belvedere 2. Probably a 383 Commando V8. This is a 4-barrel engine. Yeah, that would be a 383 in '66, I believe. I don't think they put the 440 into Belvedere 2s, did they? This is a beautiful car. I had one of these, and field agent 880 owns it now. He got me in a headlock. I couldn't escape. Mine was a 444 speed with trick aluminum heads on it. But he is wrenching down on that headlock and I had to tap. So he has it now. Nice car. I used to have one of these. Yeah, like a numbskull, I sold it way too cheap. I've regretted it. A buddy of mine bought it though. So that means I'll never get it back. Check out the finish panel on these cars, folks. Isn't that beautiful how they did that? Is it really? Wow, NOS, folks. Love the red pinstripe. That is perfect. This little thing here on the driver's side is your fuel door. And on this side, it's just an emblem.
That's just an emblem.
Right, right. Yeah, the other side is, let me show the folks how that works. See, that's the gas on this side, folks.
Had the exact same engine and
See that? Ain't that cool how they did that? I had some of these moldings. That's the spare moldings, and I sold mine. Yeah, a guy up somewhere up north bought them.
They're hard to find.
Yeah, I had the complete set. I try to sell the moldings in complete sets, but once you start breaking them up, it takes forever to get rid of them.
Now, these are all the original. Well, this is an NOS piece I found. You
Right.
can tell that's the older, the original piece.
Right. Have you tried buffing on that?
Yeah, they're anodized, so
You tried
you have to get
oven
them
cleaner?
re-anodized.
Yeah, I know.
It
but-
won't clean up.
Oh, it won't. Okay, okay.
And the front pieces are this piece.
All right, okay.
Yeah, you can see the difference.
Right, yeah.
I think the width is a little different.
I bet it's hard to find NOS.
Yeah. Well, this was all done 20 plus years ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the paint job's 22 years old. All this work was done back in the late 90s. So.
Wow, this held up well. Man. Are you local to the area?
Yeah, we live up 96.
Okay,
about
okay.
60 miles.
Seems like I've seen this car once before.
Yeah, we've been here about 20 years.
Have you? Okay.
I've had it out, here and there.
Okay.
Show you.
4-speed, man, I love it.
And it's a 383.
Right. I kind of figured, yeah, yeah. Well, what I was thinking is it's Super Commando, and I said I don't think they put 440s in '66. They did the Chargers, but not the Belvederes. Right.
67 or something.
Right. 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 All right, buddy. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Nice car. All right, folks. You heard it straight from the gentleman. 383. Beautiful, beautiful car.
It's a little bit better.
Manual steering box too.
Yeah, I like
That's aluminum.
Little with the Fury.
All right, take care, folks. I'm gonna turn you loose.